3, 2, 1.
What's up everyone, Dan here, Crypto Capital Venture, October 10th, 2018. This is going to be a fun video looking at the haters of the past on Bitcoin and the haters of the future of Bitcoin and how wrong they were and how wrong they most likely are going to be again. Let's jump right into the video and look at this. I came across this article, 30 people who were really wrong about Bitcoin. I thought it was timely to kind of go over this because there's so much hate and FUD out there right now. This was December 9th, 2017. Let's jump in and set the foundation here. Let's set the tone for the hate. 2011, no other than Forbes. So that's the end of Bitcoin then. 2011, how wrong they were. How interesting that they still continue to post and to waste their time apparently on tracking and covering Bitcoin in 2018. So how wrong they were calling the end of Bitcoin in 2011. And what's really perfect timing about this, I tweeted earlier about the hurdles that lay ahead for entrepreneurs, the hurdles that lay ahead for relationships, and the hurdles that lay ahead for cryptocurrency and emerging technologies in general. There are hurdles and brick walls and challenges. There are so many people that want to see you fail in life, in business, in relationships. There are so many people that want to see cryptocurrency fail. And I've come to the conclusion that these people that we're seeing right now, the quotes, they want to see cryptocurrency fail because I feel like they don't have the risk tolerance, maybe, to take a risk and invest in this technology. And since they can't do it, they don't want to take that risk, perhaps they just want to see it fail. Where else can passion to see something like a currency fail come from? Why waste your time over and over again on Twitter, social media, just calling for the failure of a technology? Where does that come from? So 2013, the Bitcoin is dying, whatever, says Gizmodo Australia. And I became curious, like who wrote this? And I found, here's the article, 2011, which I don't know why this says 2013. The article is in 2011. So it says the Bitcoin is dying, whatever. And I'm just kind of like, Adrian Covert, man, Bitcoin hater, but like, what's he doing? You know, he's at Gizmodo. I'm surprised he's like such a Bitcoin hater. And here we go. I came across this article. Gizmodo's Adrian Covert joins CNN Money. So I'll just leave it there. I think that says enough. Join CNN Money. Moving on with the quotes, we can check out this one. Bitcoin is a really bad idea. Promoting digital currency is like promoting digital food. It will leave you empty, and you'll wonder why you ever thought it was a good idea. ZDNet.com, but also Ken Hess was the writer of that article. And what is it saying? It's saying that article was 2013, I believe. So Bitcoin's a really bad idea, says Ken Hess in 2013. You can check out the link in the description below if you really want to see how much he dislikes Bitcoin. But I found this hilarious. I went to Ken's Twitter in September 2017. Hey, Bitcoin millionaires, how about a little help with our film projects? Every BTC helps. Ken Hess, what are you doing? How is that possible? How can you All right, let's just move on. Let's move on to the next one. Commodities trader Dennis Gartman. Bitcoin is nothing more than a scam of the first order. Dennis Gartman, 2014. And here's a 2018 video actually with Dennis Gartman who became neutral, at least at this time, on Bitcoin. I don't think he's neutral anymore, but oh, how the tables turn when Bitcoin price goes up. I don't get it. I can't peg the mindset of these people. And here's one. NYU economist and professor Nouriel Roubini. Apart from a base for criminal activities, Bitcoin is not a currency, as it's not a unit of account or a means of payments or store of value. This was 2014, by the way. Bitcoin is not a unit of account, as no price of goods and services is set in Bitcoin unit, nor it ever will. So it isn't a currency. Well, Nouriel, I run a recruiting firm, and I can invoice my clients in Bitcoin or Litecoin. Does that not make it a unit of account and a currency? You said it's not a currency because no goods or services are set in Bitcoin. Well, mine are, and I'm sure there's tons of other businesses that are. Nouriel Roubini, what are you doing? What are you doing, man? Well, at least Nouriel's consistent. I went to his Twitter page, and here's just a October 8th tweet. Somebody said, "Are you really comparing crypto and North Korea?" And he says, "Yes, I do. Crypto is worse than North Korea." So I just don't, if anybody out there can give me your insight. My insight is they want to see it fail because they don't have that tolerance to invest. They want to see it fail for that reason alone. Why else? Obviously there are other motivations for big banks to want to see cryptocurrency fail. But, the general person out there, why are there some so hateful, so passionate about the failure of Bitcoin? And trust me, there are many. We only went through a few of these. I'll post a link in the description. These are just 30. There are so many that you can find on the internet, and they're really fun to look through. But if you could, let me know your thoughts in the description below. Why do you think there are some that are just so keen on Bitcoin failing, cryptocurrency failing? And if they want it to fail, why do they waste their time talking about it? It's mind-boggling to me, and I would really love your opinion in the comments below. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Try and put out some good value, some good content on this channel. I appreciate all of you. I will see you in the next video, and God bless.